Let's look at a bird dog. So the bird dog setup here is just on all fours. At first, start out here. You could bring these in tighter to make it a little more challenging. Smaller base of support is going to mean a little tougher to balance. But the bird dog is a great drill for this rotary stability, this wobbly stability, and being able to clean up your motion as you reduce the amount of space you have to balance on. So bird dogs start out. You bring your knee to your elbow and touch. If you can't quite get there, do the best you can. You may have to reach your arm out a little to get there. Try and make contact. And ultimately try and make it with your knee right on your elbow, elbow right on your knee, and right between your knee and hand over here if you can. So on this side, it would be right between these two pieces here. Now when I reach out, I'm thinking of squeezing my butt here to lift this leg from here. Instead of down here, I'm lifting it from up at my butt here. And my arm, I'm lifting by pulling the shoulder blade back down my back here. So there's your lift. So the lift, reach, lift, reach, lift. And of course the smaller base of support would make it a little more challenging, but still doable. And you can even try and cross up and make these more or less in line, which makes it a little tough to get the touch here in the middle, but it can be done. And so those are the bird dogs.